નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello dear students, now to continue our chapter and chapter number 7 with the fraction exercise 7.4 and the question number 6. So in these questions is the following fractions represent just 3 different number, separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fraction by changing each one to its simplest form. So dear students, in this question first of all given here some fractions, and this fraction first of all we are converting to the simplest form. So simplest form means maximum cut. So let's start first of all in this given fraction convert into the simplest form. Okay, so let's start. So here given the 2 and 12, it means this one is the 2 6, it means our answer is 1/6. Clear? Now the next one is 3 and 15, it means 3 5s are 15. So remaining is means simplest form 1/5. Here is no, it means remaining is 1, and here denominator is means 5, it means 1/5. Then after this means 8/12. So first of all 8 is means here is to cut, it means 4 2s are, and this one is cut, it means 25 2s are. So 2 2 cut, so our form is 4/25. This one is our simplest form. Then after the next one is 6/100. So dear student, if 16 cut, then 4 4s are 16. 100 cut, it means 25 4s are 100. Again 4 4 cut, the remaining portion is 4/25. 4 and 25, this one is not cut is possible. So 4/25, this one is as it is. So this one is our simplest form of 16/100. So clear first 4. Same for the next 4. Here is 10/60. So 0 0 cut, it means our answer is 1/6. This one is the simplest form. Then after 15/75, see 15, if you cut the 5 3s are, here is to cut, it means 25 3s are. 3 3 cut, 5/25, this one is remaining. So dear students, again this cut is possible, right? Cutting is possible, it means 5 5s are. So our simplest form is 1/5. Directly cut is here is over 15 5s are 75. If you are cut directly, then answer is same 1/5, and cut this way, again answer is same 1/5. Then after the 12/6, if you are cut here, it means 6 2s are. Here 2 cut, it means 10 6s are. Again 6 6 cut, answer is 2/10. Here is 2/10, again cutting is possible. So cut is 2 5s are 10. It means our answer is 1/5. This one is our simplest form. Clear? Then after next one, 16/19 6. Here directly cut is possible. 16 6s are. So 1/6, this one is our simplest form of this 16/96. Next 12/75. Here it means 4 3s are. This cut 75 means 25 3s are 75. 3 3 cut, it means 4/25. This one is our simplest form. Okay. Next 12/72. So 12/72, the how this cutting is possible. If you are not directly cut, then this way 6/2, 36/2. Again 2 2 cut, answer is 6/36. Again 6 6 are 36, it means 1/6. Directly cut 12 6 are 72. If you are cut directly, then answer is same, and this way to cutting answer is also for the same 1/6. Then after next 3 6 are, it means answer is 1/6. 4/25, this one is not cut, the simplest form is also 4/25. So dear students, in this question first of all we are given a questions, it means given a fractions, we are converting to the simplest form. So this one is our simplest form. Now in this simplest form, here is given separate them into 3 groups. So here separate in this simplest form. So first of all here is the only 3 groups, 1/6, 1/5 or 4/25. This one is only 3 groups. See, check your answer. 4/25, 1/6, 1/5, 1/5, 1/6, 4/25, 1/6, 1/6 and 4/25. Here only 3 groups, 1 groups 1/5, second groups 1/6 and third group is 4/25. So let's start. So in group, so first group तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप इस मीन्स 1/6, second group is means 1/5, and the third group is means 4/25. Now how many fractions are included in these three groups? So first of all 1/6, so A, then after E, write down here A, E, now next one H, now next J, next K, over. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 fraction is including our first group, and our first group is 1/6. Now to the next second group is 1/5. So let's start. Here is 1/5 means B, then after F, write down first of all B, C here, then after F, then after G, and not over. So here is only 3 fraction is including B, F and G, and then after our third group it means 4/25. So in 4/25 included C, then after D. See here is 4/25 is not in this part. Now to the next one is I, then after the L. So here including how many? Total 4. So here is the 4 fraction is including 4/25, 3 fraction is including 1/5, and 5 fraction is including the 1/6. It means how many total fraction? Here is 4, 4 and 3, 7, 7 and 5, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this one is our 12 fraction in separate in 3 groups. So understand, dear students, our question number 6 clear? Okay.
Thank you for joining us.